Bitcoin mining is the fundamental process through which new Bitcoins are created and introduced into circulation. It's a fascinating combination of computer science, cryptography, and economics that keeps the entire Bitcoin network running securely. Bitcoin mining serves two critical purposes. First, it's the process of solving complex mathematical puzzles to validate and confirm transactions on the Bitcoin network. Second, miners who successfully solve these puzzles are rewarded with newly created Bitcoins as compensation for their computational work and energy investment. The mining process follows three key steps. First, miners collect pending transactions from the network that need to be verified. Next, they work to solve a complex mathematical puzzle that validates these transactions. Finally, once the puzzle is solved, they add a new block containing these transactions to the blockchain, permanently recording them in Bitcoin's history. The mathematical puzzle miners must solve involves finding the right hash. A hash is a unique string of numbers and letters generated through cryptographic algorithms. Miners must find a hash that starts with a specific number of zeros by trying billions of different inputs. This process requires enormous computational power and is designed to be difficult to solve but easy to verify. When a miner successfully mines a block, they receive two types of rewards. The first is the block subsidy, which consists of newly created Bitcoins generated by the network. The second component is transaction fees, which are the fees paid by users who want their transactions processed and included in the block. Bitcoin has a built-in mechanism called the halving that controls the rate at which new Bitcoins enter circulation. The block subsidy reduces by half every 210,000 blocks, which occurs approximately every 4 years. When Bitcoin launched in 2009, miners received 50 Bitcoins per block. After 3 halvings, the current reward is 6.25 Bitcoins per block. Bitcoin has a fixed maximum supply of 21 million coins, making it a scarce digital asset. This cap is hard-coded into Bitcoin's protocol and cannot be changed. Based on the halving schedule, the last Bitcoin is expected to be mined around the year 2140. After that, miners will only earn revenue from transaction fees. Let's recap the essential points. Mining secures the Bitcoin network and validates all transactions through computational work. Miners earn newly created Bitcoins as block rewards for their efforts. The block subsidy halves approximately every 4 years, reducing the rate of new Bitcoin creation. Finally, the total supply is permanently capped at 21 million Bitcoins, ensuring scarcity and making Bitcoin deflationary over time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.